Yo, how is it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a review and we are reviewing the BOYA by MM1 microphone. If you are thinking about grabbing the BOYA by MM1, I have dropped a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, which means if you buy through it, you are supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Also, here's a quick tip to get the best sound out of this mic. Positioning is the key. Since it's a direction shotgun mic, you'll get the best results if you keep it about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, aimed directly at you. If you are recording in a room with echo, try placing some soft materials like curtains, rugs, or foam panels around your setup. This will help reduce reverb and background noise, making your voice sound even clearer. If you are a tech creator, coder or streamer, you know how bad audio can ruin a great video. But do you really need an expensive microphone for clear sound? Well, today we are reviewing the BOYA by MM1, one of the most popular budget shotgun mics out there. And here is the best part. The entire video is recorded using the BOYA by MM1, so you can judge the sound for yourself. Let's see if the mic is a hidden gem or just overhyped. First, let's talk about the build quality. The BOYA by MM1 has a metal body which makes it feel sturdy and premium, way better than cheap plastic mics at this price. It also comes with a shock mount to reduce vibrations and a windshield to cut out unwanted noise, which is great if you are recording in different environments. For a mic under $30, this is surprisingly solid. One of the biggest selling points is plug and play, no batteries, no software, no complicated setup. Just plug it into your camera, phone or laptop and you are good to go. It even comes with two cables, one for cameras and one for smartphones, so you can use it however you like. Now let's talk about the sound quality, because that's what really matters. So here are some pros for the mic. It's affordable and costs under $30, has a metal build and feels premium, plug and play, no extra setup needed, better sound than built-in mics, comes with all accessories, shock mount, windshield, cables, etc. Cons: needs to be closed for the best sound quality, no volume or gain control, not great in noisy environments. If you are a tech creator, coder or beginner YouTuber, want better audio without spending a fortune, this mic is absolutely worth it. Just remember, it's best in quiet environments and close to the speaker for the best results. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech gears reviews, and I will catch you in the next one.